Hi, I'm Bernadette Geyer with PV Magazine at the Smarter E 2026. I'm at the booth of Cab Solar with John Giffen, who is the solar project manager for Cab Solar. Welcome.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Can you describe how the company came up with the design of its module air cable product line?
Yeah, so like many of our other product designs, we identify new requirements, and based off of that, we use our engineering team to develop new solutions. Specifically for the modular air hanger, we identified the need to have the flexibility to add extra layers in order to meet the dynamic project challenges. And additionally, we wanted to save customers money by enabling them to use smaller cables. So as you can see here, there's 3 layers stacked there for that hanger. The goal is to introduce the modular early in the design process in order to have the capability of using those smaller cables to save money. After that, we did some never before seen testing with Intertech in order to get the appropriate testing done to prove that the modular can deliver in the harshest conditions. Once that was proved to be correct, we created the engineering reports and use those, and we send those out to validate that.
Great. Now, how is the design of your 3D locking hanger solution important for agrivoltaic situations?
Yeah, so for when using livestock on industrial solar projects, it's imperative to ensure both safe operations and safe habitats for the animals. Based off of that, we developed a 3D locking arm. So this is a extra arm here, and this is going to secure the hanger. So when it gets accidentally bumped by livestock, the hanger is going to stay closed, and there won't be any concern about it opening and your cables coming out. The reason that is so important is because without making sure that your cables are secured, you run the risk of a lot of O&M costs for repairing and refilling the hangers, and also safety concerns.
Can you talk about the relationship between Cab Solar and the Cambria County Association of the Blind and Handicapped?
Absolutely. So CAB is actually short for our full company name, which is the Cambria County Association for the Blind and Handicapped. So we are a nonprofit that's been in business for 99 years, and we're going to be celebrating our centennial mark in 2027. Our mission is to employ people with disabilities and foster their independence, and we've been doing that through manufacturing a variety of product lines throughout our history, such as food service kits, insulated blankets for the Boeing C-17, fluorescent clothing for the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, cable management for underground tunneling, and most recently our solar products, which service over 120 gigawatts of projects around the world. On top of that, we have about 275 individuals with disabilities that work for us and help us create our fully customizable products. It's a great goal, and they're definitely our most valuable asset, along with our engineering and quality teams that help drive our ISO 9001 certified facility.
Thank you so much for your time today, and I wish you a successful event.
Appreciate it.